Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and thanks to this lip oil, my lips stand out so much more. This is a Dior Glossy lip color, pink. I love this lip oil for a lot of reasons. First of all, I personally have like very dry lips, so I'm always looking for lip oils that can like hydrate and moisturize my lips. And I think that this one is perfect actually. I like to use it like every single day because not only gives you this like natural look, but it also hydrates the lips. They feel like very smooth, and I love that. I love the applicator. I feel that it's really cute and easy to apply, and I love the scent. It smells super good. So if you are looking for a lip oil, I highly recommend this one. This is the Dior Glossy lip color, pink. I love it so much. I highly recommend it 100%, and that's my point of view.